Our skeletal system consists of two main systems, the axial system and the appendicular system. The axial system has 80 bones that consist in our head, our thorax, and our spine. Our head contains 29 different bones. Our thorax, which is made up of our sternum and our ribs, contains 25 bones, and our spine contains 26 bones. Our axial system helps our body to stay in an upright position and protects major organs like our brain, our heart, and our lungs. Our appendicular system is made up of our extremities, our arms, and our legs. We have 4 bones in our shoulder, 6 bones in our arms, 58 bones in our hands, 2 bones in our pelvis, 8 bones in our legs, and 56 bones in our feet, giving us a total of 126 bones in our entire appendicular system. Our appendicular system supports our arms and our legs and gives our bones different sites to attach to.